Hey guys, it's Tracy. I wanted to pop in here this morning before I go in to start my day job and just let you all know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. Let me tell you, last evening, sometime during the evening, my channel hit 25,000 subscribers, and I am just blown away by all of the love and support that I get from all of my subscribers. It's just amazing. And just a few weeks ago, I was at, or maybe even early last week, I was at 23,000 and something. And when I posted my DIY rustic pumpkins, the Dollar Tree version, it catapulted my view count and my subscriber count tremendously, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you. So thank you so much. I just wanted to pop in here and give you a proper thank you while it's on my mind. I woke up this morning and I said, oh my gosh, I just can't believe it. Anyway, I will be doing a giveaway. I need to figure out what I'm going to be doing, so stay tuned. And I have lots more DIYs for fall and Christmas, and so I appreciate you all. I hope I don't disappoint you. Thank you all so much. Love you. God bless.